Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. Now, if you already have an account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will see various options. If you have already linked your Google or your Facebook account with your investing.com account, then you can click on the respective buttons to log in through a shortcut. Otherwise, click on sign in with email and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Proceed by entering your email address that you used while signing up for your account and enter your account password underneath within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your investing.com account right away. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can immediately start making your trade and access your watch list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.